Hey Gadget Guru fam! Today, we're diving into the beast that is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Is this flagship phone worth your hard-earned money? Let's break it down. Starting with the design, Samsung has gone all out. The S24 Ultra rocks a premium build with a Gorilla Glass Victus 3 front and back, plus a solid aluminum frame. It feels great in hand, though it's definitely on the bulkier side. So if you prefer a slim phone, this might not be your jam. The 6.8-inch QHD Plus AMOLED display is as crisp and vibrant as ever. And with a 120Hz refresh rate, everything is buttery smooth, whether you're gaming or scrolling through your feed. But hey, that's what you expect from Samsung's flagship. Under the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and 12GB of RAM, making it a powerhouse. Performance is top-notch, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos. Battery life? The 5000 mAh battery holds up well, giving you a full day of usage, though heavy gaming might drain it faster. Now, let's talk cameras. The 200MP main sensor is a photography beast. You get insane detail, especially in good lighting. The 100x space zoom is cool, but still a bit gimmicky. But for everyday shots, you're getting some of the best photos on a smartphone. But let's talk dollars. Priced at around $1,199, the S24 Ultra is no small investment. You're paying flagship money, so what's the value here? So, pros and cons? The pros: an incredible display, unbeatable performance, and an impressive camera system. Cons? It's bulky, the zoom still isn't perfect, and for this price, you could find better battery life in some competitors. Speaking of competitors, the iPhone 15 Pro Max offers a refined ecosystem with similar camera quality and a slicker, more compact design. The Google Pixel 8 Pro gives you that stock Android experience with top-tier AI features, and the OnePlus 12 Pro offers similar specs but with better battery life, all for a slightly lower price. So, is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra worth it? If you're after top-of-the-line performance, a gorgeous display, and love pushing the limits of mobile photography, then absolutely. But if you're more budget-conscious or prefer something a bit more compact, you might want to look at the Pixel 8 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max. Thanks for watching, Gadget Guru fam. What do you think? Are you picking up the S24 Ultra? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech reviews.